Okay, so what's up, Dayton Bulldogs with another video. Today we are gonna be doing a reaction to AMB, the mystery sound. So let's see what this will be about, and let's find out what this will be about. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you want us to react next. Let's go.
This story starts off with just a normal school day. A school day just like any other. It was arts and crafts time at school, and I reached over into the pencil case at the center of the table to get a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and some colored pencils. But when I reached my hand into the pencil case, there was no more glue! You're not really scared, are you? It's scary. No glue sticks left. I mean, that was a really lame, scary story.
Plus, why are we even doing scary stories anyway? Halloween is like 2 months away. Why are we even bothering right now?
We weren't even doing scary stories. Lemmy just wanted to tell us that and had to set the mood by turning off all the lights and leaving that one flashlight on.
Well, yes, you're all correct. It did, in fact, set the mood. So, I consider this scary story a success.
Well, if we're for real telling scary stories now, I think I got one that'll knock all your socks off. What socks? It's not important, you know what I mean. Okay, so it all took place at a dark, stormy night. Whoa! Oh, you even got sound effects going for your story. Nice work, bro. That wasn't me.
Wait, what are you talking about? It had to have been you. Everyone else is here.
What's up, ladies?
Oh, it was just Grandpa.
Grandpa, don't make noises like that. It's scary.
What noises?
Haha, very funny. Anyway, what are you doing in here?
I've heard you guys saying you were telling scary stories, so that I might give you one of my own.
I was kind of in the middle of mine, but whatever. I'll listen.
Okay. Now, this all took place during World War II, back in 1524.
That is not when World War II took place.
Well, when did it take place?
You should know. You were in it.
Whatever, shut up, Jimmy.
Not Jimmy.
Anyway, this story is gonna be scary, because this story is true. It all started when... What the hell was that?
Wait, Grandpa, so that wasn't you making that noise?
No, it wasn't. It's coming from up there.
In the vent? Guys, come on. There's got to be some sort of rational explanation for what's going on here.
Well, yeah, the rational explanation is that the house is freaking haunted.
I don't think the house is haunted, Iggy. There's no way.
Yes, there is. Have you not seen the movies?
Those are when people move into old houses. Our house isn't that old.
Yeah, well...
What? Don't worry, that's the sound he makes when he knows he's losing an argument. Alright.
Well, that sound sure was weird. God, what? What the hell was that?
Okay, something's definitely going on. Why the hell are we all just sitting around? If someone's really in the house, we should get to the basement or something and call the police.
Yeah, Roy's right. Come on, guys, we should go.
Yeah, let's go. What the hell? What the... It sounds like it's coming from outside. What the hell? Guys? Someone's trying to get in. What? They're gone. Oh no. That means they already went down into the basement. Oh god, oh no! Oh god. Guys. You're in not very good shape. I know. But guys, you gotta listen to me. We should not have come down here.
What? Why? Weren't you the one who literally suggested going to the basement?
What? No, it was Roy.
Don't have a very good memory, bro. Well, I'm sorry.
Guys, look. Wait a minute. Where's Grandpa?
Oh, he just locked himself in the bathroom.
That's one weird old man. Anyway, we should not be down here because Oh my god. Junior, just tell us what's going on. Shh. Be quiet. Okay. The reason that we shouldn't be down here is because I saw someone going into the basement bulkhead. Wait, so someone is trying to break into the house? What happened to the lights? I don't get the flashlight. Okay. Come on. What just happened? Junior, I think you're right. I think someone's in the house. Yeah, that's what I've been trying to tell you. Oh my god. What is that? We gotta turn off the light. We gotta turn off the light. He's gonna know we're here. We gotta be able to see a little bit with this flashlight. All right, come on. All right, I got it. Now I just gotta look and see if there's actually anyone in the basement. Okay. What the? Oh my god. What the hell? Junior, what was that? I have no idea. It was like, it's just like boxes. They just like flew. This isn't good. We're all gonna die. Stop with that. We're not gonna die. Don't put that idea in their heads. I don't think they can see us. They don't have a light. So we just gotta be careful. We gotta make sure we stay quiet. There's gotta be a more reasonable explanation than this. How much reasonable can you get? There's someone in our basement. Come on, alright. I'm gonna take this flashlight and I'm gonna look and I'm gonna see if there's anyone in the basement. Okay, it's your funeral. Don't say it like that. Oh my god. Alright, let's have a look. What the? No. Oh my god. What'd you see? There was someone moving behind the curtains over there. So now you believe me that there's someone here? Yeah, I do. There's definitely someone down here. Okay, this is getting way too much for me. I say we gotta get the hell out of here, then we gotta find a phone or something. Yeah, that's a good idea. We gotta find a phone and call the police. Yeah, you're right. If one of us can make it upstairs and grab the phone and call the police, maybe this can be solved. Okay, well, I volunteer Morton to go get the phone because, he's the strongest one out of all of us. I see no issues with that. Yeah, Morton should go. Wow, yeah, thanks, guys. Let me go get murdered. I greatly appreciate that.
We'll always remember you, Morton.
Great, thanks. I have to do all this without a light? Well, if you walk up there with the light, they're gonna know something's up. Alright, fine. Here I go. Okay, I made it to the stairs. Now, I don't know where the guy is, but I just gotta make it up the stairs. Doing good so far. What? Oh! Morton! Oh my god! This is not good. This is not good at all. What are we gonna do? I have no idea. Oh man, what the heck's going on? Oh no. No. Stay back! What? Wait a minute. I know you.
Don't worry. I'm not here for you. So if you'd be willing to stay quiet, I could let you go.
No! I know you're here for Luigi. Now that I know who you are, I'm not gonna let that happen to him.
Man, you're an idiot. Could have gotten away scot-free, but you just had to open your mouth.
Ah!
Now that they're all in there, nothing else can get in my way.
Well, hello, sir. Did you make it into the house all right?
Yeah, I'm in the house. You did good in the vents, by the way. Lured them right where I wanted them.
Now, just to be clear, you didn't target them, you just needed them out of the way.
Couldn't give two shits about those guys. The real target's Luigi. You know that.
Well, now that you're inside the house, what is the next step?
First, I need a disguise. Next, I go for the grab.
Well, I hope it works out for you, sir. I'll let you get to it. I'll talk to you later.
Of course.
If you're over the age of 50, there is a new state-regulated burial and cremation benefit that pays for funeral and final expenses of up to $35,000. This covers...
Of course, that was the mystery sound. So, yeah, if you like the reaction, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell us what you want us to react to next. Dylan and Dylan is both on we all.